Turning centers are getting more advanced every day. Thankfully, FeatureCam's advanced turn milling module makes programming these machines fast and simple. One feature of advanced turn mill is the capability to program multiple turret lathes. So I have a part like this with some turning and some milling, and I have a multiple turret lathe that I'm using. Advanced turn mill gives me a turrets tab where I can see what's going on each turret. In this case, all of the operations are taking place with the upper turret. And I can see a total runtime here of 7 minutes and 26 seconds. We also have an operation view where once again we can see what turret is performing what operation, and everything's going on in the upper turret. So I'm going to use advanced turn mill to make this more efficient and make the most of my machine tool. The first thing I'll do is go to my first turning operation and show you that for the rough or the finished pass or both, we have the option of using a single turret, pinch turning, or follow turning. So I'll use pinch turning on the rough pass, apply that. You can see the second operation gets added, and that operation is placed onto my lower turret in the operation view, and those are synchronized with the sync point. Another thing I can do to make this more efficient is I can take the holes that oppose each other, the ones that are being drilled into the sides, and I can take them and synchronize those together. So I'll take the bottom set of holes and just drag them to the lower turret. And I have some warnings here because this is not synchronized. So to synchronize that, I simply select the items that I want to occur at the same time and set my sync points. Not only will this make sure that things are happening at the proper time, but it will also put the proper weight codes into my NC code. Now that that has been accomplished, let's go back to the time view. I can see that things are placed onto the proper positions on the timeline, and I've cut over a minute off of my runtime. I can further verify this with my machine simulation module. I'll run a machine sim, hit play, and see that this is all occurring gouge free. Advanced turn mill supports synchronization for up to 4 turrets and 2 spindles, along with B-axis positional and simultaneous turning. In addition, advanced turn mill can support 2-axis through 5-axis simultaneous milling applications, making it possible to program the most complicated parts on the most advanced turning centers.